Namaste and welcome back to Cine Snips. On this special occasion of Republic Day, I'm honored to share a new video with you all. Today, we celebrate the spirit of India and the bravery of our freedom fighters. So, let's dive into the festivities and enjoy this special Republic Day video. 26 January 1950 marked a pivotal moment in India's history as the nation adopted its constitution, transitioning from a British colony to a sovereign republic. This momentous occasion is commemorated annually as Republic Day, a national holiday that embodies the principles of democracy, equality, and justice. The Constitution of India, drafted by the Constituent Assembly, is a testament to the country's commitment to democratic values. It enshrines the fundamental rights of citizens, ensures the separation of powers, and establishes the framework for a federal polity. The Constitution's preamble, which outlines the nation's objectives, including justice, liberty, equality, and fraternity, serves as a guiding philosophy for India's governance. Republic Day celebrations are a grand affair, with the capital city, New Delhi, being the epicenter of festivities. The day begins with the unfurling of the national flag by the President of India, followed by a ceremonial parade showcasing the country's military prowess, cultural diversity, and technological advancements. The parade is a spectacular display of India's rich heritage, featuring traditional dances, folk music, and tableaux depicting the nation's progress in various fields. Beyond the pomp and pageantry, Republic Day serves as a poignant reminder of India's struggle for independence and the sacrifices made by freedom fighters. It is an occasion to reflect on the nation's progress, acknowledge its achievements, and introspect on the challenges that lie ahead. As India continues to navigate the complexities of globalization, economic development, and social change, the principles enshrined in the Constitution remain a guiding force. In conclusion, Republic Day is a celebration of India's sovereignty, democratic heritage, and the unwavering commitment to the values of justice, equality, and freedom. As citizens of this great nation, it is our collective responsibility to uphold the principles of the Constitution and strive to build a more just, equitable, and prosperous India for all. If you enjoyed this Republic Day video, your support truly makes a difference. Liking and sharing helps spread the message and celebrate our rich heritage together. Subscribing to CineSnips means you'll always have access to exciting content that dives deep into our culture, history, and celebrations. And hitting the bell icon ensures you're the first to know when we release something new. Every click, every share, and every subscription fuels our passion to create more engaging stories. Your involvement is what keeps this community thriving, and I genuinely appreciate it. Thank you for being a part of this journey.